task, code, cash flow. From the data side, there needs to be the right business model, and we want to discuss today also the cash flow side, how we make money with it.
It's a really interesting discussion what we're having here, stepping out from the silo or the box we are in, communicating with others, cooperating with others, check the other viewpoint, make our work probably way more effective and successful in the future.
I think one of the most important thing is the partnership to others, to other data providers, data consumers, as well as our customers.
The organization should be cohesive. It should have the data at the core of what it does. Otherwise, it's not going to work, and they will follow the way of the dinosaurs.
It should be DNA of the company and should be lived by example through the highest level of the company.
In data monetization, it is very important to have very many users, and only when you have them, you can start selling or using data that they create.
I think a key ingredient of data monetization in the industry, in automotive, is that it's seen as a product, that data is seen as a product. It's not an add-on, it's simply that. It's a product that needs to be sold.